February of 2022 started a new crisis in the world economy which had not yet recovered from the pandemic. Inflation rates are through the roof, causing your savings to depreciate. How can we protect our capital from losing its value? Today, we're going to tell you about 3 top assets to invest in this year and possibly make profit out of it. Hi, this is Robocash investment platform and we're happy to welcome you on our channel. So, we analyzed 8 most popular investment tools and chose 3 that look most promising in 2022. Exchange-traded funds are a good defensive asset because their portfolios are designed to balance risks. While some assets in a fund are losing in value, others might grow. ETFs are easy to manage and they have shown to be profitable in 2021. The 3 most popular ETF indexes rose by an average of 21% last year. The ongoing crisis will bring the returns down in 2022, but in the long run, these investments are likely to generate good profits. P2P loans. If you haven't heard of this tool before, watch our video on the topic. In short, peer-to-peer lending means lending money at interest to other people using a special intermediary online platform. P2P loans are a relatively young asset, but it's been getting popular over the last years. It has gained a reputation of being more profitable and stable than traditional bank deposits and bonds at times. Loans on most European platforms are secured with a buyback guarantee, which provides an additional layer of protection. You can reinvest your earnings and increase profitability through compound interest. Analysts believe that P2P can largely replace deposits or bonds in the near future because of the long-term historical decline in yields of these traditional instruments. This adds up to the global future uncertainty of capital markets. Traditional currencies. Currency trading is a fairly simple tool to understand. It has high liquidity, low risk, and low volatility as long as you don't invest in something exotic. Basically, all you need to do is find a currency that is less affected by the ongoing events than euro and buy it to keep at least a part of your money's value. There are 5 major currencies that account for 90% of transactions worldwide. The odds that they will go down are very small, although they still exist. Also, remember that currencies need diversification too. These are the 3 assets selected by experts that will be on top this year. What asset do you think will be great this year? Let us know in the comments below. Still, the rule of thumb for any good portfolio is to diversify. You can add these assets to your existing portfolio or start with one of them and then add some others. The world is your oyster. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel to know more about investment in Europe.